So whenever we apply the pivot, that particular position automatically you are going to get the some particular levels like this in a horizontally. Okay. In a horizontally, you are going to get the some of the lines. Okay. If the price is somewhere else, it will open here. The below all the lines are going to be your support. The price open somewhere else here. Although all the lines are going to be act as your resistance. Okay. And always remember when if you initiate when you apply the pivot, that particular time if it is 5 minutes. And obviously these every lines are going to be act as a minor support and minor resistance. Right? And simply how it is going to be applied, just come here in the indicator, search the pivot and choose the pivot standard. Okay, the n numbers will come. Choose the pivot standard and you are going to get these kind of lines. Okay. Same story here also. Whenever the price is coming to the pivot level, just imagine if it is open somewhere else here. Okay, if it is continuously coming here, and after some time, what we need to expect from there? If it is supports, we need to expect the hammer, right? We need to expect the hammer. Once the hammer formation is done, our duty is that we need to take the buy position. Here, after that, 50% retracement we are going to do. That is a smart move. Okay. Then we are going to keep the SL below the hammer and below the pivot. The pivot is here is a default support you are getting here. Okay, you are not drawing the support and resistance manually. Okay, based on this one, you are going to get the pivot, and below this one you are going to keep the SL, and here you are going to book the 1:1 because it is a smaller time frame, right? In a smaller time frame, these are the minor one. So when it is a minor one, we need to be very sure that it is not going to give the huge move. Even if it's gives also, it is not our cup of tea. Okay. So we need to consider always for the 1:1. And here we are expecting the market to go up whenever the price is coming towards the pivot level, because the price is above this particular line. This pivot is going to act as your support. So obviously, what is the rule? Whenever the price is coming to the support, it means that we need to look for the buy entry, and with the confirmation of the hammer. And obviously, if the price is continuously taking some trade here, if it is coming to the resistance and forms the inverted hammer, there is the best situation for us to go for the sell entry. Here we are going for a sell entry, keeping the SL above the hammer and above the pivot. Remember, if it is like this, if it is forming, wait for some time. Okay, however you are going to sell here at a 50% detachment, right? Your SL should be above the pivot and above the hammer. I mean that inverted hammer in this particular case. Okay, you should not forget that. Now let's consider here how would I will make the money in the yesterday. Okay, yesterday I made the 2 trades. Okay, yesterday means Friday. Okay, so here the price was continuously going up, and here I didn't sold the market, but I sold the market here. Why? You know the reason.
Yes.
Okay, then here I booked 1:1. Here I booked. Now next. So here once it is done for the day, no, you can't take the trades more than 2 times per day. Okay, it should be only once or twice. Okay. Now here another trade is taken, another trade on the basis of the different scenario. How it is going to? I am going to tell you that one. On what basis? Obviously, the moving average was here. It is not that easy to break the moving average. It is simple common sense. I have proven you in the live market also. Right? Here I have bought. Here I have sold. Scalp. There are दोनों का trade खत्म कल. So in Friday, I think I made around 1.8 lakh, right? 1.86 lakh something. Okay. In call side, I made a scalp. In here, in the based on the pivot level, I made the intraday 1:1. I am done. Okay. I think we have the screenshot of that. 1.83 lakh. In PE side, how much profit is? Around 136. Okay. In call side, how much it is? Only 46,000 rupees. Why? It is a clearly a scalp. It is not that easy to break the moving average. So like this, n number of trades are going to be start from my side on the basis of the different setup. Okay. So my duty is here is that I want you people to take the trades in all the conditions of the market. Okay. Some people will say now the market is continuously trending, you may be making the money. I say yes. Some people say the market is now continuously going down, you may be making the money or you may be losing the money. I say I make the money. If the market continuously going sideways from the last few days, you may be losing too much money. No, I make the money. How? Because for every condition I have a setup. Okay. Now here for the this is the pivot is over. Now the price is taking the trade in between the pivot, right? Once it is trade is done already here. Now it is taking a trade in between the pivot, okay, in between the two pivot levels. I mean that two major support and resistance. Now my next trade will be, obviously it should be come out of the that particular box. Okay, this particular box, whatever you are seeing here, no, the price need to come out of that, then only I will initiate the trade. How? If the price is coming here and if it is breaking, what I will look for? I will look for the pullback.
Pullback, yes.
Okay, I will look for the pullback, then I will go for the sell entry and I will make it as a scalp because it is smaller time frame, right? So here the main points, what is that? We need to apply the pivot, then wait for the price to come to the any pivot level, not in between the air. The first condition is that our duty is to wait for the whatever the pivot levels are there, the price needs to come there, then only we need to initiate the trade. Rest of the time it means that the price is in the air. Okay, don't make yourself as a god like that. Price will come down to this particular pivot level or this particular pivot level. Let the market decide that wherever it want to go. Okay, our duty is that here, if it should either come to the below pivot or above pivot, should not expect that the price need to come to the so for example ಈಗ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಗ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ ಚಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. You don't expect that it is going to come to this particular pivot and sell here itself. Our duty is to buy here. We know that one. If it is coming here, it is going to be act as a magnet. Price is going to be pulled towards it. We know it, but still I don't do that one because my entry is here. I am going to buy only here. Okay. And what if the situation is like that? If it is keep on going here, we are going to sell here. But ultimately we have already done the wrong trade.
Yes.
We were expecting the market to come to this particular level. Here इधर से इधर तक आने के बाद आपका पूरा का पूरा माइंडसेट खराब हो चुका रहता है ऑलरेडी. Now market is clearly saying, Baba, I am in your zone now. Now I am going to react. It is going to be react like this, but you are not capable to take that trade. Why? Mistake. You are indirectly damaging your psychology. Right. So our duty is that whatever the lines is there, whatever the support and resistance, whatever the concept you have in your diary, we need to wait for that. Trading is all about waiting. Okay, it is not a buy and sell job continuously. Okay, some people will consider trading as a buy sell typing job. No, it is all about the patience. So being as a trader, our duty is that market kidhar bhi jane do, it should be come in our level, rather than if it can make any kind of the circus, let it do, leave it. Okay, so here when the price is continuously going upside, why I didn't sold here? It is bearish candle, right?
Yes.
Support and resistance also you can consider bearish candle. And why I didn't sold there?
Time.
Good point. Okay, time is not in our favor. Next point. Don't forget the road, sir.
Job high.
It is continuously coming.
Yes. Aggressively it's coming.
Aggressively it is coming. Okay, our duty is to wait for the cool off.
Yes.
Okay, ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬಳಿ ತಿರುಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಅದು ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೈತೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಕೂಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಳೆ ಬಿಡಿರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಐ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಟು ಕಮ್. Once again it will come. Market is not going to anywhere. Trust me. Once if you have the patience, once if you have clear concept, whatever you are learning from my side, market is not going to anywhere. Trust me. It is going to come back once again. Okay. So here it is coming, and here is the formation of the beautiful inverted hammer. Now I can enter. No. Why should I take the trade here and 1, 2, 3, 4 candle? It means that what is the time frame? 55 minutes. It means unnecessarily I am damaging my psychology as well as I am into the showing my eyes the losses.
Yes.
Why should I? Because trading is ultimately why everyone come here to make the money. Making the money indirectly is equal to peace of mind. So ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಜುಗಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್. ಯುವರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ, ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಟ್. ವಿತ್ ಹೆಲ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು 10,000 ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್. You should be happy. It should be peace of mind. So I don't want to be in tension of mind. Okay, whenever I initiate the trade in front of you also, I couldn't get any kind of the damage to my emotions. Okay, the same situation, the profit was around 3 lakh rupees, it was back to 1.4 lakh rupees because I know the concept. So here I don't initiate the trade, I initiate the trade here.
Yes.
And I know that this is a smaller time frame period either. Here I need to expect only 1:1. I should not expect more than that. Okay, now this is how you are going to initiate take the trade with the help of the pivot level. Next, and always remember, while taking the trade with the help of the pivot, this particular time you can expect only 2 trade per on this particular setup. Don't expect whenever and every time it is coming to the pivot, buy, sell. No. For example, just imagine if the price is taking the trade here, if it's coming first time, expect it is going to be upside. First trade is done. Next, don't expect the price once again it is coming here, don't expect. But expect another thing, if it is coming here, sell here. This is possible, this is not possible. Because this level is already respected.
Yes.
Don't expect every time it need to be respect. Okay. So same situation, next market then we will initiate the trade. So don't expect in situation that price whenever it is in the taking the in between the trade, it will come here. Once it is the trade is done, it is done. Okay, focus on other strategies. Okay. Now here situation is very good, right? See, the price is open somewhere else here. It is started taking the trade for the first 15 minutes. You are not going to take the trades, right?
Yes.
Now when the price is here, here the pivot is respected or not? No. Price is open somewhere else. It has broken downside. It has broken good. Then once again it has went up.
Yes.
So that level is not respectable, that situation, right? So it means that you should not worry about taking the trade there. Ignore completely that particular pivot. Focus on the another pivot. This one and this one. You consider this pivot is not exist. See how beautifully it is went up once it is coming here. How beautifully it has fallen down when coming here. Why you will not initiate the trade here? See the aggressiveness.
Yes.
You should not initiate the trade. Simple. Clear? Right. Now this is the smaller time frame scenario. Now what I will do, I want to make some very good decision. I want to take some very good quantity trades. Okay. So what I need the major support and resistance. Okay. For that, how I am going to draw the major support and resistance with the help of the pivots. Okay. Simply I will shift the time frame to the 1 hour. What is that?
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. Whenever I shift the time frame to the 1 hour, whatever the pivots I am going to get. Okay, for example, 1 hour I am going to shift. Now I got the different level of the pivots. Okay, what is that? Different levels of the pivot. Okay. What I will do here, once if I switch the time frame to once again 3 minutes, so obviously these are going to be vanished. The pivots will start showing in the 3 minutes time frame. So for that, what I will do, I will keep on marking this one. These whatever the levels are there, no, I will keep on marking with some blue line. In a 1 hour time frame, whatever the lines I am going to draw with the help of the pivot, those are the blue line. Same situation, I am going to draw the red line. I will shift the time frame to the 1 day. Simple. Okay. Once if I draw anything, it will be there itself. Right? If I shift any kind of the time frame, it will be there itself. Okay. Now just see how beautifully the 1 hour pivot is going to be respect market. See the great fall. Exactly, market is open here, falling. This is broken, continuously fall. Once it is coming up, retest, going up. Many more things are possible. And see, if you don't think here it is fallen, see here it is bounced back from this particular level. This is candle. Why? It is 1 hour candle. It contains a lot of 12 5 minutes candle. Okay, our duty is that we need to shift the time frame to the 1 hour. Every day you are being as a trader, your first duty is that when if you initiate the when if you come in front of a system, okay, I told you, before 9:30 you should not take any kind of the trade. But I told you in other classes also, I don't make you sit quiet. I will give you some work to utilize that particular from 9:15 to 3:30. That is the situation is here. In that particular situation, your duty is that you need to open any of the index or stocks. Your duty is to shift the time frame to the 1 hour and draw all the pivots level for the present week. Okay. all the pivot line for the present week and draw the blue line. What is that?
Blue line.
Blue line. And moreover, this is going to be helpful for you people. For example, here what I will do for the reference, I don't want the previous one. It is looking to be very complex, right? What I will do every day, I will come in the settings. What I will do, I don't want the number of pullbacks from the last previous. I will take it as a 1. Okay, I will consider it as a 1 and nothing you have to change, just make it as a okay. Previous is already gone.
Yes.
Right? Because we are that kind of persons, humans, we always live in the present. We should not live in the future and also in past. The same situation here, we need the present pivot. Right? So once if I shift this one, I am getting these beautiful 1 hour pivots. What is my duty now? My duty is to draw the blue line. Okay. You need to draw exactly a angle miss hai, to angle miss hai, to miss hai, why? Because you are drawing in a 1 hour means that in the 4 to 5 rupees difference, if you make some spaces, it is going to cost you 3 to 4 rupees. So your accuracy should be, while drawing the line, should be very accurate. It should be exactly matchable to that particular line. Okay. Now once if I done, what I will do, I am making to clone. I am going to place here. मैं सब मैल करा. So what I will do, I am going to place it here, exactly above the where the pivot is. I am going to place here. Okay. Now I am going to place another one here. Now I will shift, what I will do, I will shift the time frame to the lower time frame, 5 minutes. So now just react to the particular things, that how the price beautifully is going to be behave. Okay. See the result. The price whenever it is coming to the 1 hour pivot, inverted hammer, fall. ये तो हो रहा है, right? Next, come back once again. See the aggressive up move. Market is going to be react there.
Yes, sir.
See here we are not going to take the trade because of aggression. But I am telling you people, showing the power of the pivot. Okay, how it is going to be work. इतना aggression move आने के बाद भी वापस नीचे. You go and back test everywhere.
One day there. Awaglay setting the one day activity.
One day I can one level thousand last time. Only 1 year length. Okay. See how the price it has went aggressively. Do you think it is going to break? No. So after the great candle, I don't go for buy entry here at the beginning level. Right? Yes. I will wait for retest. I will sell here. I think this is the day we have met. No, previous one.
6
Okay.
hours.
Now see how beautifully it has formed. Where it has retested. Someone you don't know the reason, right? Why it is pulled back from that particular level, because there is a pivot. And obviously aggressivity is coming. Here it is, there is no inverted hammer, no hammer. We are not going to take the trades, and after the great fall, we should not take the trade, right? And obviously the day is over. Okay. Now remember, your duty is to shift the time frame to the 1 hour and draw the blue line.
Blue line. Yes.
Simple.
Yes.
And this is not our cup of tea. Why? This is the old pivot of the last week. Every week you are going to get the new pivot. Okay. Every day you are going to get the new pivot. Okay. So the Friday it is not respected because it is from Monday to Friday's pivot levels. Okay. So this is the old one, whatever it is, it is respected that. Okay, not this one, present one. Now my next duty is that whenever I shift the time frame here, I will shift the time frame to the Monday now. You will get another different kind of pivots. Okay. these are the 1 hour, right? Blue one.
Okay.
Now mark the 1 day. Same like that with the red color. Okay. So now mark these lines with the red color. You should not draw here because price won't come there. You should draw where the price actually trading right now.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ ಸಾಲ ಬರಂಗ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 24,000 25,700. Don't get confused, make the color changes to the red. अब ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರತ್ತದ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಯು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್. So here I have drawn the 1 day period also. Now let's come back to the smaller time frame. Whenever the price is coming to the both these are red line and blue lines they are combining. Okay, the gap between the red and blue line is very less. It means that is the most strongest zone. Remember that. That is one of the best time for people to make the hell out of money. Okay. Always remember whenever the price is coming with the both red and blue line. Okay. Whenever these two are like this. Okay. It means that whenever the price is coming there, okay, it is going to give you the very best opportunity to make some best money. Okay. Now let me show you that. Here it is combined, it is came combinedly, but how it is came matters a lot. Every time the behavior is going to be most important. Here when the price is coming here, it is suddenly immediately it has broken. Okay. After coming here, is there any hammer? No. And it is not respected here, right?
Yes, correct.
So this situation this is the invalid. The price is not respecting the level. In this situation it is invalid. But where if you come to but every time whenever these two lines will be there, those are going to give you the hell out of money. See here. Here exactly price not came to the 1 hour, but it came to the 1 day.
1 day.
Right? So here it is, see the result, how well effective it has fallen. So here you can make a lot of money when both the lines are together. Okay. Now these are very rare coming to both these are very rare. See here also. It is went up, it is taken here from this particular level. Okay. So our duty is to should not forget the basics. Here it is continuously went up, so you should not take the trade. The basics will be always we need to carry that. Okay. Now whenever the price is coming there that particular level, no, our duty is to follow the simple things. See here also, these both two are they have a very less space in between them. Okay, some situation how it is going to become like that, it is going to become in this situation. For example, the distance between the pivot is more. In this particular situation, you don't expect the great move. Expect the move, but you can't expect the great move because the gap is more. The possibility here, what is going to be happen? The possibility here is that the price may either going to reverse from the 1 day pivot. Possibility 1. Possibility 2, the price may going to reverse from the 1 hour. Blue is 1 hour. Okay, possibility is right. So in this situation, because the gap is more, just imagine if you initiate any trade at the option of the 400. Okay, if the gap is more, obviously one just comes to the level of the 1 hour. In that particular situation, it may come to the 300 also. If you put all your money, all the quantity, okay, so 100 points, it is too much big SL, right? So in this situation, what I am going to do, if the gap is more between these two levels of blue and red line, simply what I will do, I will reduce the quantity. I will be in the trade because I know the power of these two coming together. Okay, but I will be in the trade, but I will reduce the quantity. Simple. Okay. Now take the notes of this one.